Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on the Vivino application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this bell icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on enable notifications, and here you should tap on rating reminder. Here you can get reminded to rate your wines. As you can see, the app will send you a notification reminding you to rate a wine a while after you scanned it. You can select when would you like to receive this notification. So that's how you can turn it on. And as you can see in the notification settings section, you have a bunch of other functions you can turn on, such as your Vivino activity, such as new followers, new friends, likes, comments, new comments on conversations you joined. And if you want to turn on any of these, so for example, if you want to receive a notification when you are given a like to your comment, then tap on this button next to it. But first you need to allow Vivino to have access to your notifications. So you will be directed to your phone's settings, where you need to tap on the notification section and tap on allow notifications. As you go back to the application, you are going to see that you can also turn on interesting activity notifications from your friends, special wine offers, wine news, feedbacks, and so on. So that's how you can turn on the notifications on this application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.